Hello, and how are you? My name is Teto Oletutuma. I'm an artist, a parent, and a philanthropist, but I digress. The purpose of this message is to address the current pandemic in Maasai land. This is the emerging reality, the diminishing nature of our spoken language. Did you know that for every 10 children from age 10 and below, only less than 2 can speak in their mother tongue? This is the reason for my message being in English. Also, have you ever wished to be more fluent in spoken Maasai? Well, here's your chance. This August, we roll out a course, Intensive Spoken Maasai Language and Culture Orientation. Here's what we shall cover. Building vocabulary and pronunciation. This is the introduction to basic vocabulary related to greetings, introductions, and common objects and nouns. Practice pronunciation of selected vocabulary items, focusing on sounds that may be challenging for beginners. Conversation practice using the